Did you know you might be doing something wrong in your beauty routine? Let's see top 12 mistakes. Here are our top mistakes for a beauty routine. Some of them maybe you are doing right now and you should stop. So, pay attention. Do not use deodorant after shaving. The skin gets very irritated from alcohol and perfume. Use deodorant only the day after shaving. Do not get your hair too tight. Getting your hair too tight, the hair roots may be affected. Better tie your hair lighter and catch your strands with clips. Don't do skincare too much. Too many creams from different cosmetics companies can irritate your skin. Try to find a range that suits you. Do not use expired cosmetics. Do not use expired cosmetics because they become a welcoming environment for bacteria. You risk getting full of pimples and irritations. Do not dry the hair with the towel. Because hair is very sensitive when wet, better wrap it as a turban and leave it to dry that way. Do not use self-tanning cream without doing a peeling before. You can end up with stained skin because the cream is mixed with impurities from the skin. If you do a peeling before, you will tan evenly. Do not use peeling daily. Can lead to the opposite fact intended, the skin becomes rough. A peeling per week is enough. Do not rub your eyes. You risk hurting your cornea and develop wrinkles. Do not go to bed in the evening without removing the makeup. The result, pimples, wrinkles, clogged and tired skin. Do not use the hair straightener on a daily basis. High temperature dries hair and will damage your hair in the long run. Do not stay too long in the tub. 10 minutes of lounging in the bathtub are enough and the water temperature should not exceed 39 degrees because the skin may become drier. After this, a moisturizing cream is required. Do not fix your eyebrows with your fingers. Because you risk plucking them with your fingers. Here are our top 12 mistakes that you need to avoid in your beauty routine. So, which one was a surprise for you? Let us hear in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips like this. Thank you.